guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopped by for the first time, smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos. Make sure you check out my website in the description below. So today we are about to go get some food to begin with. Hopefully there'll be some sort of racing later on tonight, but first thing is we're gonna go get some food. You guys been wanting me to vlog more, so hey, there it is. Let's have an awesome video. G-Wagon and Bentley at Barney's Rodeo. Famous Rolls Royce. The famous Rolls Royce. Look. This thing is like gray and blue at the same time. We just got done eating. I don't know what we're doing now, but me and Santanios are gonna go. Alright, I'm done. G-Wagon, Maybach. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in a ride in this 2018 Mustang that's already been on my vlog. It has a Corsa catback, so I'm thinking about that for my car as well. So yeah, we're gonna attach my GoPro to the back, and then we're gonna actually hear how it it sounds, and see if you guys think it'd be a good exhaust for my car. So let's get it. So we got the GoPro all set up, and we're gonna show you guys how this thing sounds. Alex is gonna be in the trunk for this ride. Not sure why, but we'll see you later, Alex. Alright guys, so he got it in sport mode. Woo! Sounds so good. Sounds so good. So what do you guys think? The exhaust sounds amazing from like right here, from me just sitting in the passenger seat. It is so loud, especially when you downshift. It sounds so good. So that's a Corsa catback, right?
Extreme. Corsa
Extreme catback. Sounds amazing. Trying to go fast. Yeah, SRT right there. There's a cop right there.
When isn't there a cop?
Right, just chilling right there. So Alex is coming out. The GoPro survived the ride. So we made it. Oh my god, my GoPro is so hot.
Is it?
Oh my god. So right now, we came to a local dealership who has like the craziest like selection of cars. Literally, they're all outside and they're all unlocked. Last time I came here when I was in LA 3 months ago, literally I met a subscriber and he hooked us up. We went inside after closing and everything, so it was cool. So let's check out some cars. Wow, check out this color on the SRT. Oh, and my favorite wheels. Okay, this one's locked because it's probably an SRT, that's why. Here. Oh, this one, oh, no, it's still locked. But yo, this color is sick. Wow. There's a Hellcat here, it's unlocked. And then there's a bunch of SXTs. We got another Durango SRT. This one's unlocked. Nothing special, I don't even like this interior. Just regular black interior. But it has my favorite wheels. Oh, is it? What is it? They literally broke into an SRT and they're trying to hot wire it right now. Look at this. It's a Jeep SRT.
That means they actually drove it a little bit.
This thing is a sick color. It's pearl. Look at that. Can't see it, but like, okay. This is pearl and this is white. I don't know if you guys could be able to tell, but probably not. Check out this Hellcat. In blue. Oh, it's a 392. Why are they putting these wheels on them?
They put them on the 28.
Oh my god, man. They're doing it on this too? Come on, Dodge. So Alex is super happy. He just found a new fridge. He's sitting in a fridge. Look at, does this car not look like a fridge? It looks like a stove. Like honestly, just look at it. Does it not look like a stove? Look how happy he is. Oh my god. So,
what's up, guys? MotorTube here. We're gonna close up.
But we're gonna leave the dealership over here. We had fun. We talked to the, I met a subscriber again. And now, we're gonna head out and get in the Mustang and go do some more pulls. Right. Oh my god, this thing is so loud. Oh, this thing's so. Whoa. Well, what in the Mustang are you doing?
Oh, God. I haven't seen there's a turn here.
Alright guys, so we are finally back. Had a long day. Like I said, I've been vlogging here for you guys since you guys want to see that. But hope you guys like the exhaust. Let me know if you guys think I should get it for my Mustang. But I'm gonna let you guys go. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos, and go check out my website and got my merch over there. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a beautiful day and stay positive. Peace.